Aromatherapy is a popular complementary therapy that utilises the aromatic compounds found in plants. And essential oils are an ideal way for us to utilise these aromatic compounds ourselves. Now, there are many essential oils on the market, and knowing which one to choose can feel overwhelming. So I've prepared a handy guide to some of the best essential oils for various issues or situations. So today I want to look at the essential oils for energy and stimulation. As always, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when we release more. We've also got more videos about essential oils for different situations. Now, most of us can feel a little sluggish from time to time, and there can be many reasons for this. And it can be easy to reach for an energy or caffeinated drink to pep ourselves up. But essential oils can also be a useful way to give ourselves a lift. So I'll first look at some of the essential oils that can give us a little lift, and then some of the ways that we can use them. So first up, there's citrus oils. All of the citrus oils are renowned for their energising effects, but notably grapefruit and lemon. So grapefruit has a tangy yet refreshing aroma, and it's often used to help fight tiredness and fatigue, and it's thought to invigorate the mind. Lemon has a sharper and crisper aroma, and it's thought to uplift the senses and sharpen the brain. Citrus oils such as lemon and grapefruit blend well with most other essential oils. The cool, sweet aroma of peppermint is thought to be emotionally, spiritually, and physically uplifting. The fresh aroma of peppermint is believed to aid concentration and help to maintain focus. It's thought that peppermint is simultaneously soothing and energising, making it useful if you're experiencing fatigue because of stress. Black pepper has a spicy aroma that's stimulating for both the body and mind. The warm, musky aroma of black pepper has been used for centuries to help maintain stamina and energy. Black pepper is frequently found in post-workout rubs. Basil is also a little spicy, yet herbal too, and it's thought that the aroma can refresh and invigorate mind, body and spirit. Basil is helpful for stress-related lethargy and a lack of focus. Basil blends really well with black pepper. These are just some of the essential oils that can help improve energy, and they're some of our favourites. There are many more out there. So how can you use these oils? Now, it's worth noting that many of the energising aromas are top notes. So that means that the aroma evaporates into the air quite quickly. On the one hand, this is an advantage because our nose picks the aroma up quickly. On the other hand, the aroma doesn't last as long. Diffusers and oil burners are both ideal ways of releasing these top note aromas into the atmosphere over a sustained period of time. Dry inhalation and steam inhalation are both ideal ways of using these energising aromatic essential oils. Dry inhalation is perfect if you're out and about, as you simply need to add 2 to 3 drops to a tissue and inhale when you need to. Steam inhalation can make an ideal addition to your daily cleansing regime, particularly in the morning if you need a little extra pep. And pulse point rollers are really helpful too, especially if you want to blend 2 or more essential oils. Most pulse point rollers are around 10 millilitres, so I'd suggest combining a total of 6 drops of essential oil with 10 ml of your favourite carrier oil and leave it to infuse for 24 hours before using on pulse points such as the inside of the wrists. There are, of course, other ways that you can use essential oils, but these are some of the most effective ways of utilising the energising compounds. In the description under this video, I will put links to all of the oils mentioned today and links to further information too. As always, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when we release more.